Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Valorant. While launching the game, you got a connection error with error message Vanguard error van 84. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first step, you need to right click on start menu and choose the option run. Type here services.msc and then hit the enter key. Now press the V key to find a service with the name VGC. Double click to open it, and if the service status is showing as stopped, you need to click on the start option to start it at once, and in startup type make it automatic. After doing so, hit the OK button. Now click on start menu, type CMD and choose the option run as administrator. You need to type here a command netsh space winhttp space reset space proxy and then hit the enter key. After doing so, close it and relaunch your Valorant, and while launching the Valorant, make sure this VGC service must be showing as running. Hopefully this will fix out the issue. Although if this failed to work out, in next step you need to again right click on start menu, choose option run, type here ncpa.cpl and then hit the enter key. Now whichever your internet is, Ethernet or Wi-Fi, you need to right click and go to its properties. Now over here you will find the option of TCP/IP v6. First of all uncheck it, then go to TCP/IP v4 and go to its properties. Here we are going to use the Google DNS, so choose second option and type in 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. After doing so, hit the OK button and close it. Now click on start menu, type CMD and again choose the option run as administrator. Type here a simple command ipconfig /flushdns and then hit the enter key. After doing so, relaunch your Valorant and this will completely fix out the issue of Vanguard error van 84 connection error. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.